Ever feel caught between your love for outdoor grilling and your commitment to environmental stewardship? We know the struggle all too well. Introducing EcoGrill Essentials, where we've merged the joy of outdoor cooking with the principles of sustainable living. Our range of products is designed to ensure you don't have to choose between your passion and your planet. Born from a desire to make a difference, EcoGrill Essentials believes in creating products that not only perform excellently, but also respect our environment. We're not just about grilling, we're about grilling responsibly. We are a vibrant community of individuals who value the earth as much as we value a perfectly grilled steak. We believe in the power of change, and we're starting right here in our backyards. With EcoGrill Essentials, you can grill to your heart's content without the guilt. Our eco-friendly products deliver the same quality performance you've come to expect from traditional grilling equipment, but with a much smaller environmental footprint. But we don't stop at products. We're equally committed to educating and enlightening. Our YouTube channel is packed with insightful videos released 3 to 5 times a week, offering grilling tips and highlighting the unique eco-friendly features of our products. So, are you ready to join the green grilling revolution? Subscribe to our channel and become part of our community. Together, we can make a difference, one grill at a time. Welcome to EcoGrill Essentials, where sustainability meets performance. Grill green, grill great. Grill with us today.